Are your analytics inflated by bots? Stop wasting your bandwidth and server resources. Enable Cloudflare's bot fight mode in under 2 minutes. It really is that fast. So, you have a website. You probably know that not all traffic to it is human. Bots scrape your content, skew your visitor stats, and eat up your resources. Cloudflare has a built-in weapon against this, called bot fight mode, and I am going to walk you through exactly where to click to turn it on. Just follow these 6 simple steps. All right, let us get to it. Start by logging into your Cloudflare account. This is the same dashboard you use for managing your DNS and performance settings. Go ahead and sign in. Next, you need to pick the domain you actually want to protect. You probably have more than one site in your account. Click on the domain that is getting hammered by the bots. Just one click on that domain name and it will take you into its specific dashboard. Now, we are going to navigate to the security section. Look on the left-hand side panel of your dashboard. You will see a bunch of menu items. Find the one that says Security and click on it. This is where Cloudflare keeps all the tools to protect your site from threats and unwanted traffic. Inside the security section, you are going to click on Settings. This is the submenu right there. It opens up a new page with a lot of different security toggles and configurations. Do not worry about all of them. We are going straight for one specific setting. So scroll down the page a little bit. It is not at the very top. Keep scrolling until you see the section labeled Bot Fight Mode. It might be a little further down than you expect, so just keep your finger on that scroll wheel until you spot it. And here is the really important part. Once you find Bot Fight Mode, you will see a toggle switch next to it. It is probably grayed out or set to off right now. Go ahead and click that toggle switch to enable it. It should turn blue or green, confirming it is active. And that is it. Seriously, you have just enabled Bot Fight Mode. Your site is now actively blocking a huge amount of malicious bot traffic. It is one of the quickest and most effective changes you can make for your website's health. You saved yourself a ton of bandwidth and a lot of headache. Nice work.